Make and do in French.
Faire.
Plus.
Ça a fait.
Welcome. Hi. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun way to learn French. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll master the English words make, do, and the phrase it made using the French power verb.
Faire.
And the phrase.
Ça a fait.
Expect jokes, quick drills, and useful chunks. Let's go. Your goal today. You're going to speak French with confidence, short, sweet, and useful. Your goal. Connect English, make, and do to.
Faire.
And use past, it made, equals.
Ça a fait.
In real sentences, if you can say, I made a cake, or, can you do this, you can say them in French too. Mini forms. Let's keep forms light and friendly. Think, I made, you made, he made, she made, it made, we made, you made, they made, all mapped to French forms with.
Faire.
Present quick view. I make, do equals.
Je fais.
You equals.
Tu fais.
We equals.
Nous faisons.
Past with, have, I made equals.
J'ai fait.
You made equals.
Tu as fait.
He, she made equals.
Il a fait.
Slash.
Elle a fait.
It made equals.
Ça a fait.
We made equals.
Nous avons fait.
You, place, made equals.
Vous avez fait.
They made equals.
Ils ont fait.
Slash.
Elles ont fait.
Dialogue, coffee and plans. Listen and repeat, jump in like you're at a cafe. You, can you make coffee? Say.
Tu peux faire le café?
Friend. Sure, I'll do it now.
Je vais faire ça maintenant.
You, great, we also make a plan?
On fait un plan?
Friend. Done. It made my day.
Ça a fait ma journée.
Quick drills. Your turn, repeat after me, bold and clear. Make.
Faire.
Do.
Faire.
To do.
Faire.
It made.
Ça a fait.
Not to do.
Ne pas faire.
Make a cake.
Faire un gâteau.
We made it.
Nous l'avons fait.
Culture tip. Sound natural with these everyday chunks. Just do it.
Fais-le.
Stand in line.
Faire la queue.
Grocery shopping.
Faire les courses.
Cheek kiss.
Faire la bise.
Quiz time. Quick quiz, answer out loud. Q1. English, make in French. A.
Faire.
Q2. How do you say it made in French? A.
Ça a fait.
Q3. Fill the blank. Yesterday, I made a cake.
J'ai fait.
Un gâteau. Q4. Can you do it now? Say.
Tu peux faire ça maintenant?
Challenge. 1 minute, 2 sentences, go. Say out loud. 1. We make a plan, in French.
Nous faisons un plan.
2. It made a big difference, in French.
Ça a fait une grande différence.
Bonus. Turn any, to do, into.
Faire.
In a sentence you'll use today. Merci and see you. Nice work, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Faire.
And.
Ça a fait.
In your day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-French lessons, exercises, and laughs. See you soon. Say it with flair.
À bientôt.